So begin by lying on your back. As you first lie down, notice if your chin is pushed up or your neck feels tense. If so, place a folded blanket or cushion under your head. With your knees bent, place your feet on the floor, resting your arms by your sides. Now close your eyes. The first exercise in breath work is to become conscious of simple, relaxed breathing. Move your hands to your lower ribs so they're half on your ribs and half on your upper abdomen. Notice how placing the hands here allows you to feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath, in and out, in and out. Give yourself a couple of minutes to relax and settle into your normal breathing rhythm. Turning your attention to the rhythm of your breath takes you away from whatever else is going on in your day, internalizing your mind and drawing attention to the soothing nature of the breath. Notice how with each breath out, the upper belly and ribs relax away from the hands, and how the effortless breath in expands the ribs and belly into the hands. This is not forced. You are simply witnessing the natural flow of breath in and out. Exhaling, the belly and ribs relax. Inhaling, they expand. No effort, just witness. As you practice simple, relaxed breathing, you may find that ever so often your body will spontaneously take a deep breath in or release a deep breath out or sigh. This is simply your body adjusting to a more restful, stress-free environment. You may also find that as you continue to focus on the steady flow of breath, your body wants to adjust its position. A clue that your breathing is deeply influential to movement. As your breath relaxes, tension begins to melt from your muscles. Your lower back may feel like lengthening a bit, urging you to slightly move your hips toward your feet, or your shoulders or neck may want to adjust. These are all ways your body is asking you to relax and be soothed by simple breathing. Each gentle, effortless breath out, the upper abdomen and ribs relax away from the hands. Each effortless breath in, the ribs and upper belly expand outward and upward gently into the hands. Now take your hands from your ribs, resting them once again on the floor by your sides. Can you still feel the rise and fall of your ribs and belly as you breathe? With this heightened sensitivity, you can tune in to natural rhythm and flow, awareness that will keep you calm and focused throughout your yoga practice and throughout your day. And notice, having given yourself several minutes now to settle into natural, relaxed breathing, that the rate of your breathing has slowed, with a natural pause between the breath out and a new breath in. Your whole body is deeply relaxed. Now on your next breath in, simply draw your knees to your chest and exhale. Lying on your back, place your feet on the floor, knees bent. Rest your arms at your sides and close your eyes. Take a moment to tune in to the simple rhythm of your breathing and let your back body spread long and wide. As your breathing slows, a natural, relaxed rhythm will grow. Feel the effortless rising and falling of your ribs, moving in tandem with your breath. When the body is under enormous stress, it's common for the balance between breathing in and out to be disturbed. And when under stress, the breath in is often stronger than the breath out. So we're going to spend a few minutes simply meditating or focusing on the out breath. Continue to breathe in a relaxed, easy fashion. Now begin to pay attention to your out breath. With this awareness, your exhalations will naturally begin to lengthen. Help focus on your breathing by making a very small whisper of sound in the base of your throat with each exhalation, a sound that only you can hear, but one that keeps you focused on a steady breath. With each slow, leisurely out-breath, this whisper in the base of your throat becomes increasingly steady. And notice that as your exhalation naturally elongates, the pause at the end of the out-breath also lengthens. Again, no effort, just a natural pause, a gap between the breath out and a new breath in. You may also feel that the following breath in is naturally more full and satisfying. Each out breath long, steady, effortless, followed by an equally effortless pause and a spontaneous, free breath in. On your next breath in, hug your knees to your chest. Breathe out, placing your feet back on the floor, arms at your sides. Lying on your back, knees bent, feet together. Stretch your arms out to your sides at shoulder level, palms up. Check to make sure your hands are not higher than shoulder level, as that would cause tension in your neck. As you breathe in, roll your knees to the right. Breathing out, let the knees drop heavily toward the floor and roll your left palm to the floor. Breathe in. Now breathing out, raise your knees again. Breathe in. Breathe out, roll your knees to the left, right palm down, left palm up, turning your head to the right. Inhale. Exhale, knees up, right palm up. On your next breath out, knees to the floor, left palm down, head to the left. Do this at your own pace, slowly coordinating breath and movement. Breathe in, breathe out, knees up, left palm up. Breathe in, breathe out, knees to the left, right palm down, head to the right. Let's do one more. Breathing out, knees up, right palm up. Breathing out again, knees to the right, left palm down, head to the left. Breathe in, breathing out, knees up. Gently settle back to center and hug your knees to your chest. Begin wave breathing, lying on your back with your knees gently pulled towards your chest. Holding your knees, breathe in to move your knees over your hips, noticing how your lower back comes slightly off the floor. Now breathing out, pull your knees back in toward the chest, feeling your thighs press gently into your belly, and your lower back press into the floor. Continue at your own pace, closing your eyes when you feel you've got the rhythm. Breathe in, knees over hips. Breathe out, pull the knees in, letting the thighs press into your abdomen. Notice with each breath in how the weight rolls toward the hips and the lower back lifts effortlessly off the floor. And how with each breath out, as you pull your thighs in, your weight rolls into the small of the back again and your lower back presses the mat. I call this exercise the wave, and perhaps you can feel why. With each breath in, as your knees roll over your hips and the weight shifts to the hips, a rippling movement runs down the spine from head to toe. With each breath out, as you pull your thighs in, that same movement, like a wave, ripples back up the spine from tail to head. And this movement, as you continue, taps into deep, deep memories in your body. In fact, you can see this rhythm reflected in a subtle way in the spines of infants. This exercise promotes balance in your breathing, in your nerves, your spine, your belly, and your mind. Notice with each breath in, the belly gently expands. With each breath out, as your thighs press the belly compresses to enhance the exhalation. Now, after your next breath in, release your hold on the knees. Place your feet back on the floor and your arms at your sides. Can you still feel the subtle ripple up and down the spine with each breath in and out? This subtle reflection of the wave breath can be used as a way of calming yourself quietly in nearly any stressful situation.